They don't text you, they don't check your profile, they don't say your name out loud anymore. But at night, they replay the conversations. They remember the look in your eyes, and they wonder if you think about them too. Some zodiac signs miss you quietly. They won't admit it, they won't reach out. But they never really moved on. They just learned to carry it in silence. Let's begin. Number 3, Virgo, the silent rememberer. They never told you this, but they kept the ticket from that movie you saw together. They noticed the day you stopped saying good morning. They knew it before you left. Virgo doesn't express missing with words. They express it through memory, through small routines they no longer do, through songs they skip now because they remind them of you. They'll act fine, busy, sharp, but they're still holding the story of how it all could have been different if just one thing had gone right. Number 2, Cancer, the emotional archivist. Cancer smiles in front of others, but when they hear your favorite song in the grocery store, they feel it in their chest. They scroll through old photos in private. They reread your messages. When the night feels heavy, they don't reach out because they know you had your reasons. But part of them still hopes you'll come back. They don't cry every day, but the part of them that loved you, it's still very much alive. Number 1, Scorpio, the secret longing. Scorpio deleted the thread, blocked your number, moved on, or so they say. But your shadow still walks through their dreams. Your voice echoes in moments of silence. They'll never admit it. Not to you, not to anyone, because missing you feels like weakness, and Scorpio never shows weakness. But late at night, in their most guarded thoughts, you're still there, and no matter how far they've gone, you're the one that never really left. So, did your sign make the list? Or did someone once miss you in silence and you never even knew? If this one stirred something, like, subscribe, and check the description. 2 free gifts are waiting for you. No words needed. Until next time, sometimes silence means more than goodbye.